securely fastened, and it has one buckle here, and then it also has another buckle a little higher up here, as you could see. So the stitching is heavy duty stitching. The steel that it's made out of is also heavy duty as well. The steel is also rust resistant, which is awesome. So I could have this outside and not have to worry. This is how it came before we put it together. So it was pretty easy to identify the pieces. It did take a little while to put together, so just give yourself some time. But you just kind of like lay the jumping part on top, and then you stretch it out with the springs into the holes. So we are loving this trampoline. It's a 10-foot trampoline, and it's just been such a great gift. We were gifted this and are being reimbursed for it. Time to give a review. Hey everyone, this is Jackie, and I'm here to review this trampoline. I am so excited about this. My kids are obsessed with it. It's definitely one of their favorite toys. It comes with a basketball hoop, which is so fun. It also comes with the basketball and the air pump to inflate it, which is just a great feature to this product. The trampoline alone is so much fun. It's such great quality. They're having a blast with it, and it's keeping them busy for hours. So it has this netting, and everything is made just really top of the line quality. The netting is made with some really good heavy duty material. It also comes with a ladder, which is great, so they could just climb up in. And it comes with these poles that have the styrofoam around it, just for additional safety and security, which is just